My name's Tuppence Silverio. I'm Head of Business Architecture at the Just Group. The actual skill set that the Convergent consultant brought was fantastic. Worked with my team, gave a great deliverable, but then also the design side of it actually really brought it to life. It turned it for me from being a death by PowerPoint into that immersive journey, and that part has been invaluable.
So the background there is something that was both a new proposition with unique features that brought together two disparate parts of their company, and they hadn't ever had to have an enterprise architecture or any kind of view of how those two things were going to operate together to deliver the same outcome.
I've taken this opportunity to actually showcase what we've produced around a number of our stakeholders to prove how enterprise architecture can work in an agile way. And I think that's really shown how we can then be part of the ecosystem. And the feedback has been really, really great.
Overall, the deliverable was received very well. So what they've now got is something that is very visually rich and very information rich. The fact that they're able to click through and interrogate it without actually needing to have the deliverable explained to them is really critical. If you have to explain to people what it is they're looking at, then the diagram isn't doing its job. So the fact that the client now are able to click a button and see, okay, well, I can immediately see the 4 or so capabilities that are impacted by this proposition feature. And they're thinking about that and not thinking about what's this diagram telling me. That's a major indicator of success.
People have been able to more immerse themselves in what that journey is going to be, so they can actually see and feel where those pain points are going to expose themselves. Has been really, really valuable with the change director, so that he understood in no uncertain terms what the consequences and then the likely further drawdown of the change investment would be. So it's really removed the ostrich syndrome for me, and they're actually aware of what they're committing to and they're making conscious trades. So that overall can only be a really good thing.